Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to replace Chrysler 300 screen, updated. Disconnect the negative battery first and remove trim panels, carefully using plastic tools. Label screws and clips as you go and take photos for reference. Unplug connectors gently and note harness positions to avoid damage. Test the new display before reinstalling the bezel to confirm touch and backlight function. Reassemble in reverse order and torque screws snugly while checking operation. Begin by prying the center bezel loose with plastic tools and set panels aside safely. Remove the 4 mounting bolts while supporting the screen so it does not fall. Carefully unplug the ribbon cable and main power connector by depressing release tabs and sliding them out. Inspect connectors for corrosion and clean gently if needed. Place the old screen aside and prepare the replacement by comparing connector types and mounting points for exact fit. Position the replacement screen carefully and thread bolts by hand to avoid cross-threading, then snug them evenly. Reattach the ribbon and power connectors until you hear a positive click and verify wiring is routed clear of vents. Reinstall the bezel and press clips back into place so gaps are even. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and power on the vehicle to run a touch and display test, checking for dead pixels and calibration.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.